Today, we're diving into something really cool on how you can use Nanobanana the smart way so you can start creating professional AI images in minutes. Whether you are into AI, coding, or you are just curious about how these new tools work, then this video will guide you with the step-by-step process. First thing first, the Nanobanana is the internal name for the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, optimized for conversational image editing and generation. Unlike traditional image generators that require you to start over when you make changes, Nanobanana supports conversational editing. You can tell it to modify parts of an image without generating the full image. It also supports features like multi-image composition, consistent characters across scene, and fine-tuned control over elements. For this image generation, you can use tons of different sites. Well, you can try Nanobanana in Google AI Studio, Google Gemini, and many more. So for this video, let me move into any of the web browser first of all. Once you're inside the Chrome, in the search bar search for gemini.google.com. It is also one of the AI tool in order for you to try Nanobanana. It is a web playground to experiment with Gemini models. Now once you're in this page, you need to sign in with your Google account or create one if you don't have one yet. You need to accept the terms of service if prompted. Click agree or equivalent. Well, for this website, you should know that the image is very much necessary, and without the image, you will not be able to generate the Nanobanana effect. So for you to upload the image, you need to click on this plus icon right over here, and then simply click on Upload Files. From here, choose the image, and then click on Open. Right now, I have just selected the image of a woman. Now all you gotta do is enter a simple prompt. You can simply write it as drone shot of a woman. Once you have entered the prompt, all you gotta do is click on Tools and then select the Nanobanana effect. Click on Create Images and then click on this arrow icon. You can tap on No Thanks, or you can also see the models of Gemini. Now you need to wait for a while for the image to be generated. Once it has been generated, scroll all the way down. And there you can see that the image has been generated. The drone shot of this woman has been created successfully. Well, you can see the difference between the first image and the second image created by the Google Gemini. The picture looks more professional to me. Now, if you want to download this image, then all you gotta do is click on the image. And then, click on this download icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, the video will be saved into your device successfully. Well, not only this, you can also use Nanobanana in Gemini for professional product images. Well, it will be perfect for making catalog visuals or banners or social media posts without needing Photoshop. Let me show you by creating one. Once again, click on this plus icon right over here, and then click on Upload Files. Select any of the two products that you want to combine or change the background. First of all, select one photos and then upload it again. Once the photos has been uploaded in this section, now you simply need to enter the prompt. Let's say you want to place this popcorn machine in the picture of coffee machine and remove the coffee machine instead. You can simply enter the prompt as remove the coffee machine and put the popcorn machine instead with the exact background of coffee machine. Or you can also modify the prompt and write according to your preferences. Now wait for a while for it to generate the image as per your need. All you gotta do is wait for a second. And there you can see that the image has been generated successfully. Scroll down and view the image. Right now you can see that the coffee machine in the first picture has been replaced with popcorn machine. You can see it really looks like a professional image that has been taken. If you want to save the picture, click on this download icon right over here. And then it will be saved into your device. Well, it will help you to enhance the post on social media or wherever you upload the picture. Well, not only this, but I'll also show you on how you can use Google Gemini's Nanobanana model for professional visuals, from clean product photos to realistic fashion and modeling edits. For that, you will need to upload the image again. Click on this plus icon and click on Upload Files. From here, once again, let me select two of the photos. One photo of a woman and the next photo is of the cloth that she will be wearing. Well, you can see two images has been uploaded. One is of woman and the other is the cloth. Now all you gotta do is enter the prompt. You can just enter a simple prompt like put the dress on the woman of the first picture and then click on this hit icon. And now wait for a while for the image to be generated. Sometimes it might take a while for the image to be generated due to a lot of people using at the same time. And there you can see that the image has been generated successfully. The clothes that I have uploaded has been worn by the girl that I have also uploaded. Well, if you do not like the picture, you can also ask for refinements. For example, make the figure pose more dynamic or change the background to marble texture. It will help you to generate more fine images. You can enter and modify the prompt until you get the perfect image you need. You can also download this image by clicking on this download icon. It will be successfully downloaded on a device. For this image, you can also upload additional images to blend multiple photos, for example, combining you with other object. Or else you can also change part of the photo, for example, replace the background, change clothing, or swap an object. For this, you need to upload the image, and then hit prompt like replace the background with forest, or you can simply enter change the color of the cloth to red. Let me try doing that right now. Click on this plus icon once again, and then choose any of the image that you want to replace the background with. Once you have selected the image, tap on open. The photo will be uploaded in this section. Now you can simply enter the prompt, replace the background with the studio background. Or if you want to change more thing, then you can simply enter the prompt like change the color of the dress to red. Once you have entered the prompt, click on this arrow icon. Now once again, wait for the image to be generated. It might take 10 to 20 seconds. And there you can see that the image has been generated successfully. Well, if you are disappointed with the photo that has been generated, then you can simply change the prompt and then generate again. Well, as you can see, I am not satisfied with the background, so click on this edit icon once again and then change the prompt. Let me change it to replace the background with the forest background. And then once again click on update. Wait for a few seconds to the image to be generated. And there you go, the image has been generated. Well, you can see the forest background has also been applied to this picture. Also, the color of the dress has also been changed. Once you're satisfied with the picture, click on download button, usually at the top right of the image. You can download image in image formats, PNG, JPG, and then share or use as you like. If you want to go back and tweak further, you can continue refining in the same Gemini conversation. Also, for the tips and tricks, you can use a well-lit, high-resolution photos for better results. Also, the next thing you need to keep in the mind that you need to be specific and be concise in prompts. Mention scale, lighting, pose, and backgrounds. Don't overload with too many instructions in one prompt. You can do stepwise edits. Also, you can blend images carefully. Pick ones with similar lighting and resolution. Use the consistency advantage of Nanobanana. Gemini will try to preserve recognizable features. And that's the end of the video. Now you know how to use Nanobanana in Gemini to change the position of the image, change background, color, and also replace the image with another. Not only this, you can try your own prompt, explore blending and editing, and have fun with this amazing tool. If you really found this tutorial helpful, like and share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.